Hey everybody, hope you guys are doing well on this Sunday. We are out, not in Greensboro actually, we are in Fuquay Arena for the Naylor family farm and corn maze. It's a really popular area and pretty big, and there's a lot of people and kids out here. It's pretty fun. So we're gonna see what's going on out here. We literally just got back from visiting my grandma and about to enjoy this and have a good time. But yeah, there's a lot of people out here. Antonia, her little cute outfit today.
Where you wanna go, baby?
I say I can get on it with her if you want, or if you want to get on it with her. You know what, man?
That's what she wants to do. That cow is huge. Moo! Told you we can't go nowhere without him knowing somebody.
Crystal went to church with me, and we went to high school together, and we went to A&T together.
Faith, this was for you. This
Mom,
was for you, Faith.
Mom, you gonna see? We saw Crystal. Oh, her children have got so big.
They riding on that thing.
Yeah. You see the cow though, girl? That cow.
That cow is huge.
You got horns?
No.
Is that a horn on that side? Okay.
Oh, it sure is one. Over here looking like, I don't know.
Rabbits.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Rabbits. They're so cute, I know. Daddy had a rabbit when I was small. Yeah, I had a rabbit.
Chicken. Yeah, girl, you know chicken.
Those turkeys, girl.
Whoa.
Turkey. Gobble, gobble. Turkey, gobble,
Antonia
gobble.
said, whoa.
Oh, turkey, gobble, gobble. Oh, yeah. Gobble, gobble. They just getting it.
You see them up there? You can tell Daddy to take you up there.
You wanna go up there?
Hey, Antonia. Hey, Mama.
This is the coordinates.
Alright, y'all, so we have now entered the cornfield, and Antonia is not with it. She does not want to get down and walk. She is over it already. Go to Daddy, Antonia. There are people behind us. So we're not doing this? She says she does not want to do this, guys. That's what she said. She said she don't want to do it. But Daddy picked her up. Woo. Whoa. Lord. Yeah, whoa, Antonia.
Are we going to the right?
I don't know. I'm following you. I know, Antonia. Tell Daddy he just smacking you in the face with them things. Change your heart? It's some tall corn, y'all. Whoa. I know, Mama. Whoa. We following you. All right, which way?
No.
No.
To the left or right? We're going that way or we're going this way? That way? This way. Okay. You lead us and we follow. Go ahead and get it.
I just want to say that with Antonia leading the way, if we really do get out of here, my kid's a genius. If she leads us to the way out, she's a genius. That's that on that.
Because I don't know. I sure
Look at her moving this thing out the way. She said, get this out the way. Thank you, Mama. Thank you. And just like that, we made it out and she got a souvenir. She done got a piece of the corn. We made it out, y'all.
Yay!
Good job, Antonia. Yay, good job, Mama.
Thumbs up.
She did it, y'all.
Thumbs up.
Good job, Antonia.
We got to find your pumpkin, girl.
Yeah, let's go get you a pumpkin. Uh-oh. And just like that, she's off. So we're gonna go see if we can find her free pumpkin. And then we need to catch this hayride before we go. Cause Mama gonna have to catch some dinner. Or so a snack or something.
Thankfully, my mommy and my dad is getting us some seafood.
Yeah, they cooking for us tonight, but all I had was breakfast.
All I had was coffee.
Which was this much of my shrimp and grits that was left over from dinner. And I had to share that with Antonia. So yeah, I'm gonna need something in between. Cause we gotta wait for the food to cook. Right. They doing a seafood boil, which I'm all appreciative of. But I need something.
Me too.
He needs something. She needs something. But yes, y'all, we about to get in this line.
So we got to get on the hayride to get to the pumpkin.
I don't know if we have to get on the hayride to get to the pumpkin, but I know that she said go ahead and get in line for the hayride. She said if you wanted to go ahead and get your pumpkin, you could take it to the car. I just don't know where we go to get the pumpkin.
Okay.
So we gotta figure that out. You ready? Ready?
Ready?
What you see? What you see? Mama, you getting a pretty pumpkin? That's a big one. Daddy, she's calling you. She looking like that ain't the one.
It's not the one? Okay. Come on.
Chad, they came out the cornfield and grabbing pumpkins. That's a pretty one.
Yeah.
Whoa. Alright, y'all, so we got 2 pumpkins, which I think is enough considering she already has her small one at the house that she painted at daycare. So we got 2 really nice sized pumpkins. I'm very happy with them. Look at them. Yeah, see, look at them. Them some nice sized pumpkins. Antonia.
No, Mama, wait.
Why are you running away?
Come on, wait.
Where are you going?
See another pumpkin?
So clearly Antonia is done with the camera. I don't blame her. Mama's tired today too. But alright, y'all. I'm gonna try to help my kid figure out what she wanna do, and we'll be back later.
We'll see y'all when we leave from here.
Antonia unbothered. Up, baby. Up, baby. Look up.
Oh! It's okay. It's okay. I was like,
My man's watching. Oh, there go Sasquatch.
hey!
Hey, Sasquatch.
YOLO! He said I'm watching TV.
That's the one who killed Snow White.
It looked like it. Oh.
I knew somebody was gonna come out. I knew somebody was gonna come out of the tunnel. Tania said, I ain't signed up for this.